Hello, it's Christine Faulkner with Cava Faulkner. Thank you so much for tuning in to another edition of The Daily with Christine. And today I want to tell you a couple of things. Number one, I am an estate planning attorney in Elk Grove, succession planning attorney in Sacramento. I do living trusts and wills, but now for something a little different. I wanted to tell you that we are having a webinar tomorrow. I am co-presenting a webinar with the fabulous and wonderful Melanie Webb with Ellington Properties, and Melanie is a real estate agent. And we're going to be talking about Prop 19. So please join us tomorrow if you would like to learn more about Prop 19, how it works, when it went into effect, and how this is going to impact you and your family, and what happens if you want to sell your house. And this, of course, has to do with your property tax assessment, how your house is assessed, or whether it will be reassessed on certain, if certain things happen. So please join us. Go to our website at www.cavafaulkner.com, or you can also go to our events page and you can sign up there, or you can click below on this video and it'll take you to the sign up page as well. And so it's going to be a short presentation, probably about a half an hour to 40 minutes of education and another 15 minutes or so of questions. So don't miss out. This is definitely important information for homeowners in California. So please join us for our Prop 19 presentation called Prop 19, Will You Benefit or Get Burned? At noon to 1 p.m. on March 31st, 2021, from noon to 1 p.m. Again, click the link below on the video to get signed up, and we will love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Love producing different content for you. Subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Let us know what else we can help you with, educate you about. And if you have an estate planning need, please let us know. Reach out, get in contact, email, call us. It doesn't matter. We're here to help you. And I know that we can work with you and help you create the perfect plan for you and the people that you love most in your life. So thanks again for tuning in, and hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.